If you've got a website and you're running AdWords campaigns, then there's a pretty good chance that you've also got a Google Analytics account. And one of the most powerful features of AdWords is its ability to integrate with Google Analytics. Now, you might be thinking that the AdWords system is already throwing more data at you than you can bear. But at the same time, you can get powerful metrics by integrating your AdWords account with your Google Analytics account. So why exactly should you link these together? Well, there's a lot of important questions that AdWords by itself can't answer. AdWords was never intended to be an analytical solution. By default, its only responsibility is to keep track of everything that happens right up to the click. Things like how many times your ad is shown, for what search queries, or on what websites. It tracks which ad was shown in response to which bid, how much you were charged for the click, and specific data like that. But after the click, well, AdWords loses the visitor. Now, if you've enabled conversion tracking, then AdWords will know whether a conversion has occurred or not, but everything else that the user is doing on your website is invisible to AdWords, and that's where we need analytics. Analytics can tell us which ads drove people to keep coming back to your site or to become engaged with your content. It can tell you which keywords had people going to which pages on your site and what they did before they converted. If you're new to analytics, you might want to head over to the course on Google Analytics Essentials. But for now, we're going to walk through the process of linking these two accounts together. Now, you can either go directly to your Google Analytics account, or if you're already within AdWords, select Tools from the top menu, and then choose Google Analytics from the dropdown. From here, you'll select Admin on the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice that you have three columns: Account, Property, and View. The first thing you want to do is confirm that you have the right account selected by choosing from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple analytics accounts, you'll see them here, and choose the one that you want to link to AdWords. Then, from under Property, you'll select AdWords Linking. From here, select New Link Group in the upper left-hand corner, and then select the AdWords account that you'd like to link, and choose Continue. We need to give the link a name, and below that, you'll see all the views that are associated to this property. In this case, I only have one view, All Website Data, and I can select On to enable it. Below that, you can see that Google is automatically going to append tracking data. And this lets you view your AdWords data alongside your analytics information for every individual ad that you've created. Once you're done, you'll select Link Accounts. Here you can see some additional information about what this means, and then select Done. And just like that, you have analytics hooked up to AdWords. And with that hooked up, you'll be able to manage and optimize against profitability based on just about any data you care to look at. From here, you'll choose Admin at the top of the page. In the Account column on the left, you'll select the Analytics account that contains the property you want to link with your AdWords account. Here in the Property column in the center, down below Product Linking, I'll choose the AdWords Linking option. From here, choose New Link Group in the upper left-hand corner, and then select the checkbox next to the AdWords account that you'd like to enable. In this case, I'm going to enable the RentTrack AdWords account. And then I'll choose Continue. We'll give the link a name, and if you'd like to select a view to link, you'll then choose the view, in this case All Website Data, that you're linking to that group. Here you'll see that Google Analytics is going to automatically enable auto-tagging for all LinkedWords ads accounts. And auto-tagging is fantastic. For every ad, it's going to automatically append tracking data, which lets you view your AdWords data alongside your analytics information for every individual ad that you've created. Once you're ready, choose Link Accounts. And just like that, you have analytics hooked up to AdWords. And with that hooked up, you'll be able to manage and optimize against profitability based on just about any data you care to look at.